Um, Hello, hi, good day. Welcome to my vlog again. So, happy holiday. Then, have a wonderful Christmas to all. Then, for today's video, I will show you how the CSV file loaded to DataFrame in Pandas and it will generate to HTML by Tabulate. Of course, our favorite is Tabulate. Tabulate. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, Miss, this is my, as usual, all my script are that I have a comment, what I'm doing, what I'm, and create my code, what, blah, 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 etc. So, this is my, I create in the script, CSV to Pandas DataFrame, the first step. And then it will start in DataFrame, Pandas, then tabulate, generate HTML report, then add the sample company logo. You can download in Google for image Google for sample templates. Yeah, okay. So don't ask me what I'm doing in Tabulate. Just explore on your own. I'm not Sputnik person. Okay, I'm not Sputnik person. Okay. Import pandas, PD, import OSU. Also, by the way, you can follow my instruction on Python how to install pandas. Then, if you encounter those NumPy error 6 take to tilt, you can install by epic. Okay, don't ask me what I'm doing. Okay, I just proceed in my tutorial. Import pandas as PD, import OS from tabulate, import tabulate. Obvious. Import pandas, you will import the pandas library. Import this is for file manipulation, to add, delete, add. For tablet, we generate a table for HTML, but I create a twist. In previous video, uh, I create a script that will generate tabulate with CSS. But this one, generate an image and simple CSS table. Then, as you can see, sample logo. So, simple. I create a HTML file. For example, I create a HTML file, data frame 1, data frame 2. Then, this CSV file should input this one. It will be rendering the content of this CSV to data frame and HTML. Okay. Then data frame variable, it will be instantiate the read CS. It read CSV method. So this one for your reference. So I use this one for rendering CSV, read the content, then it will translate to, I will translate to data frame. Data frame, this one, the variable, then to HTML. It will convert to HTML. That's all. Very simple. I don't know how the others create them. I don't know. This is not complex, it's very simple. Then, HTML web page, I create some HTML functions that are simple HTML that I have created image logo. So this I download this from Google Image, a sample logo. So this sample logo. Okay. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Oh, sweet logo. Ay, wow. Sorry. This one. This one. I just download in Google. Logo. Okay. Then after that, so it had those logo that you've seen is a sample only. I did not use for personal. Okay. Those logo is a sample only. I created a sample thing. I did not use for personal thing. Is that fine? It's clear? Okay. Then, logo sample 140, this fixed width, so width 140, height 140. So, it's simple, it's the image source. If you struggle, just use Dreamweaver to measure this one. It's easily. Okay? Company name, header 3, title of the page is bootstrap example. So I copy paste from the previous logo, from previous script that tinamad ako eh. Ito. This one. This one. This is a template I created. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yan. Container. Yan. So this one I try to create a logo from this one I generate a log report with the logo. So this is it's another HTML it's another CSS template I created for this one. For this one is another CSS, simple CSS. Okay. See? Content A device, meta name, viewport, device initial scale, link right, relationship, style sheet. What does this mean? What does this mean? href is means table. That's CSS. I mean it means this CSS file I call it from the same folder. I create a simple CSS. Did you know that? This one, table, under table class font family, Calibri, Replica, sans serif. Border collapse, it collapse automatically. Width is 45%, percentage, then it width, then table header, table distance, table header, table diameter, border pixel, 1 pixel, it means pixel, solid, so you can dry. Oh, you can dry and make the bigger. So this one you can install, or you can install on the Visual Studio Code. So you can find on Visual Studio this color picker. Okay, padding 5 pixel, table row, so child, so background color. So you can define anyone, but I match on the color and table header and table diameter. So yeah. So I forget that it did, but it's table related to table distance. Table diameter. I don't care. Table row, hover, background color. Yeah. Then table header, padding type 7 pixel. Padding bottom 7 pixel. Text align. Left, it will be text align to left. Then background color, background of the table column. Color white of the column. Okay. I create another tutorial for CSS. If you want. Then DataFrame. So this I just only call this one CSS, head, body, then the container class, summary report, my name, as usual, table plus table, the table this one. Then HTML report. HTML report is the variable name which include the DataFrame which convert to HTML. To HTML is a Pandas method to convert to HTML. Then DataFrame is well the content of CSV. So it convert to DataFrame. Okay. Then you can create the function. So it will trim and clean and replace the DataFrame to table. Okay, that's all. Then tabulate, header keys, first row, table format, PSQL, I'm align right, small center, straight line. Okay, then it will remove the temp file. Okay, I run now. Just for one time, you can view the code. I don't know if you understand. Okay. I don't know. File data frame. Enters in raw file. The same CSV that I used previous video. Okay. This is a data panda generated report. Okay. Then a data frame HTML. So let's go. It will be a data frame HTML data. So this is the output. Same, right? Then go to folder, scripts, API, data frame. Oh, voila! I just created the company name for sample template, then summary report, then wonderful. What a wonderful over that agreement. Thank you. Ayun, okay. So this is the sample. Page source. Very keen, right? If you understand this one, if you are passionate for creating this report, if you understand, but if you just pass by, you cannot understand. Okay? Okay? This is the final report. I just downloaded for sample template, then summary report, and okay, index, and okay, that's all. Thank you and good day. If you have questions, by reactions, just email me jpam205@gmail.com. jpam205@gmail.com. And so help me. Thank you and good day.